Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the page number from the first page of a document in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's say I had page numbers on all of my pages right now. So I just did the bottom of the page. Let me just set that up for example here, and let me just close out of it. And now you see we have a couple of pages on this Word document. If I want to just not have anything on this first page, like it's a cover page perhaps, you want to select the Insert tab, and then whether the number is in the header or the footer, select either header or footer, and then select where it says Edit Footer, and then where it says different first page, check mark inside of there, and then it should remove the number from the first page. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.